We are gathered here to show our resentment against the one-sided resolution to abrogate the shoe agreement with Kuki-Zo UGs in the absence of our 10 MLS in the People's House. Time and again, the current regime has knowingly misused the state institution, including the House of the People, which is the last straw to misguide the general public in the valley. The Manipur Legislative Assembly should focus on the present law and order situation in Imphal rather than focusing on the SHU. ABSPA is needed in the Valley District as much as SHU is needed in the hills. I repeat, ABSPA is needed in the Valley District as much as SHU is needed in the hills. Therefore, the Committee on Tribal Unity would urge the public in the valley not to be fooled by N. Biren Singh, who is trying to escape from the present situation in your area by talking about the Kuki-Zo undergrounds instead of uncontrollable armed militia who are running the government in Imphal.
Kuki-Zo sa te mi piteo zo sen gamle nam ngai lum na zala dunia na hon zo na patman tam ta han kai do wa hisi gamle nama dinga ki zo na pat na la the se ven lam kai ho zo se halagin na chung se wa ki pa tu se zo lo kai ko ni na he I ho ikilung khat naw ikipum khat naw I ha pan na zalwa he gali zo duty he tuni mit kamit taw ven kamu ven lam kai hon zo so teng le ikilum khat naw ikipum khat naw ikitosot naw hi machal jing han lang suteng le thadai lovin manoje muitin lamkai hojong boima perfect aki umpon kalin le naw yung tamta ding hin hizong le kalin le naw wa ne hilun lang kamin mo na wa ne so novin lang hiditun khat la khat ki he to hitin Imako was separate administration movement by alon hin kasin lung khat takadin pan la jinu te ti hi atsai na ke ya mi pite wa zo se tem na le taw na kan ne hin